to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop.
I am currently in the car. This is how the wig looks. It's the glueless wig, so yeah. I'm about to go to a couple of places. I wanted to go to Errands. I'm not feeling it. Okay, let me go through what I have to do. I wanted to wash my car. I wanted to go to Errands to get some tableware. We're planning a picnic, like a little short notice picnic. We're supposed to go to the beach, but that got postponed. If all in all I have more time, I wanted to also go to Ping's to just get a blanket so that we can sit on. I mean, I have something, but it's not like, yeah, totally I want to sit on this, it's nice and comfy. Yeah, no, it's not that. So I am now at Fontana to get some cash. I also have my cake with me. I hope to God that it doesn't melt by the time I get all these things done, but I'm trying to get it done. So come along with me, guys. Let's go.
You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why.
Fontana also has ice. I need to get ice and juice, so we're gonna do that real quick. That's everything. Can't even tell you guys how much it came to, but YOLO, we're going to have a great picnic. I'm on my way to her and we're gonna pack up the car and go start our picnic.